first remember कि this capacitor 6 volt, this capacitor 3 volt, this capacitor breakdown 4 volt, this capacitor 10 volt. Your question, find the system of the breakdown voltage. So first you find charge. First find charge. The Q is equal to CV. The Q1 is equal to 6 into 4, 24. This is 430. The less than voltage, less than charge 24. The 24 is the system charge. The system charge. Of this is series ki parallel. So series means 1 by 3, 1 by 6. Answer 2. The 24 is equal to Q. C equivalent 2. So V is equal to 12 volt. Means this system breakdown voltage 12 volt. Understand? Sanjay, understand?
Yes, sir.
Write down. You not understand. Confirm. The next question you solve now. Very good.
Sir, which is small charge, that is the charge of system, sir.
Yeah. Any 3-4 system given. The first find the charge. A smallest charge is the main. This.
Sir,
Tell me.
C equivalent is equal to 2, sir.
C equivalent. 2. C equivalent 2.
Okay, sir.
This question solve all student. Talokas, you understand? Complete now? You understand only simply sitting. I will start the mobile phone, a smartphone, WhatsApp, Instagram. How many hours you used to WhatsApp, Facebook, in Instagram? 24 hours. Very good point. Okay, this question solve all student. Find the breakdown voltage in this system. Find the, all students solve this question. Find the breakdown voltage for this system. This is 10, 6, 8. Tell me, fast answer. Nitya, you understand? Okay. Only yes, sir, tell me, sir. Sanjay.
Yes, sir.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
Answer. Final answer 20. 20 volt, wrong answer. No. False, sir.
Sir, 20 volts, sir.
20 volt. Sanjay only correct answer, sir. 20 volt. Is all right. 20. What 20? Ampere. Understand? 20 volt. Okay. Of this question solve. This question given of one given this, sir. This is 6 microfarad, a 3 microfarad, or volt. Last question potential, this volt 8. This is now last question given 3. Before question, the first question 10. This na? Okay, of this question solve. Dashania, you understand? Dashania,
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
very good. Only talking, sir. A 10 volt. First question is solved, na? The first question this, second question this, both combined, sir. The first question, what question? 3 volt, 3 microfarad, 10 volt. 6 microfarad, 8 volt. Same question, sir. Okay. Always remember, hello. Always remember, wait. Always any question this type, na? Ki one series, one parallel. So this, first this find. This VV is equal to 20 volt already fine, na? 20 volt. No. First this 20 volt, na? First this find 20. This what answer? This what answer? This what answer? 12. So which less than? Which less than? So 12 answer. 12 volts. Sir. I told focus this. No, sir. 1 minute, sir. 1 minute, sir. Any question this type, na? Series parallel given. So one system, this one. How many system? 2. One this, sir. So first this find, sir. That this already find 20 volt. This find 12 volt. So which less than? The 12 answers. Understand? Less than voltage is known as breakdown voltage. Understand? Na? So logic creates, sir. I told, no, sir, 1 minute, 1 minute. I saw, sir. Okay. What? This step. Sanjay, understand? Sanjay,
Yes, sir.
any question this type, how many system? Means one again arrange. How many system? 2, 3, 4, 5? Nope, I don't know. So first this system find VB, second this system find VB, again third VB, fourth VB, or check which system VB less than. This less than system VB is the total breakdowns. Understand? Tell me.
Sir, always we should find the system by system, sir.
Yes, sir. Understand? A talking boy. You understand, Trilokesh? Now, next point. Ab now. Fully to answer.
Question wrong. Answer.
No, answer correct, sir. What is this?
Question wrong. You see, sir. 6 4 you gave. Question wrong.
Understand, na? Logic understand, na? No. Yes, half close. But put the... Okay. Oh, sunlight comes. Okay. What? Now, wait 1 minute. Now, next concept. I don't. Write down. In dielectric, write down. Hello, topic name, write down. In dielectric, at constant charge, at constant charge, at constant charge. So first remember constant charge. First remember that this is capacitor, sir. First understand, sir. This is capacitor. Okay. Understand? This is positive plate. This is negative. Understand? Na? Understand? One positive, one negative. Of one dielectric, a starting time dielectric put na? Now no. Now one dielectric upside. This side, sir. Remember all student. This side. This is a dielectric. This is dielectric. This is dielectric. All student understand? This is dielectric. Clear? So this is this come inside. Remember, this come slowly. Them slowly come, not direct come, sir. Come slowly come down. So this positive, to what value? This come down side, sir. Tell me, this positive, to what value this come? Key attraction, sir. The negative, this side, negative. This side, positive. Or this come them slowly come. So this is one force, this force, slowly come this side, sir. Clear? This force, write down, this bracket, F is equal to force of dielectric. This force of dielectric. Because this condition, this dielectric, na? So this force of dielectric. Q constant. Charge vary, electric field vary, potential vary, all things vary. But capacitor vary, all things vary, sir. But capacitor charge constants. Understand? Na? Yes or no? Clear concept? So see, dielectric force of dielectric, F is equal to force of dielectric. Understand? Cannot understand? Sanjay, understand? Hey.
Yes, sir.
Understand? Na? Okay. This force of dielectric. Clear? Na? So first remove this, sir. The first capacitor Ci, initial capacitor Ci. Ci is equal to what value? Ci, capacitor is equal to epsilon naught A by D. I teach, na? Yes or no? Epsilon naught C initial is equal to epsilon naught A by D. Understand? So C final, tell me. A starting time no came, na? A starting time no came, na? A starting time this, na? This. K, no K. Ab now come K, sir. So what value? Epsilon naught K A by D. Ab you tell this greater than ki this greater than. Final greater than means exam time ask the question ki this one capacitor you put dielectric something for charge constant. So final capacitor increasing, decreasing, neither increasing nor decreasing, yeah, none of these. Ab question ask the question, okay, increasing, K time increasing, K square time increasing, 1 by K time increasing, this fully confused type questions, sir. So K time increasing. Understand? Na? C, understand? So means C final is equal to K C initial. K C initial, na? Means C final increasing K time. Understand? Yes or no? K final increasing K time of initial. This is remember. Right on. Understand? Na? Any student doubt? Initial this. No. In vacuum, some dielectric given, vacuum given, in any other given. No extra external given. Miss my logic, you put me. I always told this positive negative attraction. So this say me, positive, na? Okay. This side all, na? Hello, this capacitor, this, hello, this capacitor, this positive, this negative. Is this is coating, na, plastic coatings and any coating. So no add. So always this is coatings. Tell me first. Understand? Rafa? Direct this type, no. This some painting clear, sir. Not direct this type. This na this. Some color puts color. Pencil use na pencil light color. In this type push this side, this side. Otherwise, after some time you confuse. I not a study after some time, sir. Why confuse you? Solve this question. Solve. Up now. Tell me. Rough. Rough na. Our student tell me. V initial. V initial. V is equal to volt. V means volt. Potential. V is equal to Q by C. Q by C. Q already constant na. So V final is equal to Q. C is equal to C final. K C initial. Understand? Yes or no? So V potential increase or decrease? This is potential, sir. So V final is equal to V initial by K, na? Increase or decrease? Decrease, na? Decrease 1 by K time. Understand? Means this increase, so this is decrease. Ab exam time decrease. K time, 1 by K time, K square time, this type question. So 1 by K time, this understand, na? You understand? Write down. Not understand.
Sir,
Huh?
sir, 1 by K or V initial by K, sir?
V initial by K. Huh? This?
You said 1 by K something.
No, V initial by K. Huh? Tell me.
Okay, sir.
This? C is equal to? Huh? This C initial. So C final teach na. C final is equal to? The K C initial. Not understand? Rough, sir. Rough, no? Understand, sir. Understand? This type question asked, this type question solved, sir. Means important ki remember all concepts, sir. Exam time forget, to forget, sir. So now, electric field. Electric field initial is equal to, tell me, electric field is equal to, formula always remember, E is equal to V by D, yes or no? Yes or no? E is equal to V by D. So E final is equal to, electric field final is equal to, tell me, V find this initial. So V final by D, final na? V final is equal to V by K. Yes or no? Yes or no? So means electric field, this is increase, so this is decrease. Understand? Electric field is equal to V by D initial, the final V by KD. Understand? Solve. Fast solve.
Sir, then V final is equal to V by K, sir.
V by last concept na, V final is equal to V by K.
Okay, sir.
अब exam time ask the question, electric field increase, electric field initial increase, the electric field final option increase, decrease, या K time increase, 1 by K time increase. What told? According to question is option. Next, Understand? Energy. Energy, I don't, energy of capacitor. Energy of capacitor. Energy of energy formula. Energy of capacitor formula. Formula energy is equal to energy initial is equal to energy is equal to half CV square. Half Q square C. Three formula given. I remember. You not remember. Teach I, formula remember I. You only WhatsApp. Next. Q square by 2C. This formula. Hello. Electric. What is this? Energy. Energy capacity. Q square by CV. Q constant na? Q constant na? Yes or no? So what is Q final? Energy final is equal to? Energy final is equal to Q square by C final. C final is equal to K C. Understand? So energy increase. So energy increase initial. The energy final decrease 1 by K na? K time increases 1 by K time. Very good logic. You understand? Hey, E initial is energy initial is equal to Q square by 2C. Formula I given. You remember? I know. I remember. I know you remember. You mug up formula.
Sir.
Very good.
You teach Q square by 2C is equal to E initial, sir.
Yes, sir. Q square by 2C. Energy related 3 formula given, sir. I know you all
When did you
students.
teach, sir?
When they open the notes copy. When time teach, sir?
Starting, sir.
Starting time. I don't write a date write on minimum na. But I teach na. Yes. Hello. So Q the C in energy final is equal to energy Q square by 2 C final. C final is equal to KC. So this formula, sir. Understand? Clear na? No. Okay. Next. Understand, sir. Interesting topic. Understand. Boring topic. I give the time break time, sir. Next, work done. Work done is equal to, tell me. Work done is equal to E final minus E initial. 11th class work done. Work energy power. Work energy theorem. W is equal to initial final. Energy initial minus energy final. E energy is equal to final formula Q square by 2KC minus Q square by 2C. This na any common? Q square by 2C. What answer? 1 by K minus 1. This is the work done formula. But 10. Okay, wait. I rough, sir. Okay. The work actually this side na. So the work done is equal to E final minus E initial. E final is equal to Q square by 2KC minus Q initial is equal to 2C. Any common? The work done is equal to Q square by 2C common 1 by K minus 1. This all formula remember to solve the question. Not remember. All students per day, yeah, weekly, one day, formula remember, sir. हाँ teacher, the first 11th complete I can teach, sir. I teach all 11 12th portion teach, but rough. अब इलेक्ट्रिक फोर्स देखो फुल डे होम तो मोबाइल also class time also mobile without 1 hour without mobile not possible na new generation very bad generation no study only mobile WhatsApp Facebook something I want good result how possible without hard work how possible not possible na? Okay, now electric force F is equal to tell me F is equal to formula okay sigma square A by epsilon naught I think so yeah 2 this is no turn no sir hello this is not F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by r square yes or no yes or no yes na अब now this is equal to hello this is equal to but this formula I not want sir I want formula F is equal to this to area na sigma charge by area sigma again area multiply area divide this also sigma area square by epsilon naught understand yes or no sigma is equal to q by a so F is equal to q square by a square into a by epsilon naught a cancel so F is equal to q square by a sigma q constant this question q constant sigma okay so F does not depend on another function na? So after remember always remember कि this capacitor one dielectric come downside so force initial is equal to force final both same force initial is equal to force final both are same understand means does not depend other functions only q a epsilon naught so force does not force after dielectric force not change force starting constant to constant अब exam time ask the question dielectric put electric force increase ki decrease option increase decrease remaining same in none of these the remaining same understand so this type question ask Sanjay understand Sanjay
Yes, sir.
what understand tell me
Sir, force remains constant, sir.
very good boy you the good student sir why not study this too I don't अब now rough na timing you understand you okay write down this next concept now this concept charge constant this concept charge constant so charge constant so what change what not change you understand na? Any capacitor you put dielectric so capacitor initial capacitor final electric field initial electric field final volt initial volt final work done Understand? Energy initial, energy final, work done is equal to what, or electric force watt change. So this is charge constant. Of next same condition, volt constant, means volt not increase. Write down. Write down. Write down all student. Means remember, this is capacitor. Same. This is capacitor. Remember this capacitor. This is positive. This is negative. This one dielectric come. So what cases? This positive to this negative. This negative to this positive. Understand? This connected one constant voltage. One constant voltage. Last question, what? Force come na? In this condition, voltage constant. A voltage constant, so charge watt, capacitor watt. The more question also question. This type question discussed next class. Right, first write down. All students write down first. All students write down first.
Sir, what is this, sir?
Volt constant.